Where is Gujarat? Try again. Amazing! You found Gujarat. The statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also known statue Gujarat soil is the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai. The Great Ran of Kutch in Gujarat is considered as well done. Level completed. Good. Well done. Now you are in the AR mode. Now, let's go to Nanda Devi. Try again. Great. It is Nanda Devi. Tap on the revealed location. Nanda Devi. Now, let's go to Gateway of India. Great. It is Gateway of India. Gateway of India was built in honor of Gateway of India. Gateway of India. Well done. Level completed. Let us find Tiger. Great. It is Tiger. Bengal. These bulky well done. Level completed.